Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at how to add a conditional column in Power BI. So first, once you have your data within Power BI, go to Transform Data on the top toolbar. And I brought in just some age data. And the example is going to be if you maybe had a movie theater and you charged different prices based on age, you might want to determine, okay, depending on your age, what price should your ticket be? So if you want to add a conditional column, you're going to go on the top toolbar and transform data and do add column, and then you're going to see a selection called conditional column. And you'll just click on that. And then once this populates, you're going to see an if statement built in, and there's going to be drop downs. You can add an operator's value and then output what you want the end result to be. And you can see you can add numerous clauses in here. So we're going to add 4 clauses based on prices for different age ranges. So we want to charge a lower price for seniors, anyone over 60, anyone between ages of 18 and 59 will get a different rate. Teenagers will get a different rate, and then if you're under the age of 6, you're going to pay a lower rate. So first, once you click the drop down under column name, you're going to get a list of all the columns in your data set. In this example, we only have one. I just used age as an example. So you select that, and then under your operator, you select what you want to compare the age to, whether you want to do it greater than a certain number, less than, equal to. In this case, we're going to start off with the highest number, saying greater than or equal to 60 years old, because that's our highest range. And that price point is going to be in the output. So if the age is greater than or equal to 60, then what do you want it to be? And this can be a text, value. In this case, we just want to make it a number. So we'll say $8 if you're greater than or equal to 60 years old. And then we also want to add another clause. So once you select that, an else if pops up and you go through the same process. Sadly, there's no way to just copy and paste this down and populate all of these. So you will have to go through and check each time you do an operator for age. So now we're going to do is greater than or equal to 18 years of age. And at that price point, you pay $12. So right now, this is going to say if you're 60 or older, you pay 8. If you're between the ages of 18 and 59, you pay 12. So you don't have to create a max for this. It knows if it's below 60, it's now going to look at this next level in here. So 18 to 59 is going to be 12. Now we're going to add another clause where we say if the age is greater than or equal to 6, we charge 10. And the last clause is going to be if you're less than 6 years old, your ticket is only going to be $6. And then at the very end, there's an else statement. So you could be like, if something falls outside of these parameters, what do you want it to show? I could have done, okay, if you're not older than 60, or you're not between 18 to 59 or 6 through 17, oh, then you must be younger than 6. So I could have put that in the else statement and not done this last clause, but I always I always like to put not applicable or just something general in the else statement. That way I know if something's wrong in my data set. Say someone put in, instead of an age, they just put in a series of letters. So something was formatted wrong. If I have this NA, that calls that out for me so I can see where that mistake was made. So once I have everything in that I want, I will now click OK. And it's going to create a custom column showing the price. And I did forget the title. So if I could just go back in there, you could just make your title price per ticket. And you can change that if you just double click in here as well, if that's how you want to rename the title. And you'll see the prices should correspond with the age. If you're over 60, $8, between 18 and 59, let's see this individual's 43, so they should pay $12. And if you want that formatted in dollars, you can always change the format right next to the column title. And this can just help you group things very easily using conditional column. And you can do this for a variety of things. You can always use this for numeric values or text. So just keep that in mind. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to leave any comments or ask any questions if you want me to make any videos on anything that's been challenging you or anything you think would be an interesting topic to discuss related to Power BI. Thank you.